FXDJ Dual Planetary Mixer by Farfly. Stirring industry trends, integrating masterful craftsmanship. Driven by innovation and decades of R&D expertise, the FXDJ Dual Planetary Mixer from Farfly combines cutting-edge international technologies to deliver a groundbreaking solution for industrial mixing. Flexible positioning options. Choose between mechanical positioning with a simplified bottom conical locator or automatic positioning, featuring a hydraulic locking system for the mixing tank, complete with signal output for rapid, pinpoint accuracy. Hydraulic lift mechanism. Equipped with a synchronized motor, the mixer automatically outputs position signals upon reaching the target height, ensuring stable and efficient operation. Conical alignment. The conical concave-convex interface between the mixing tank and upper cover guarantees concentricity. Dual planetary motion. The planetary frame drives the mixing blades to revolve around the tank axis while rotating independently. Paired with a high-speed dispersing shaft, optional dual dispersing shafts for enhanced efficiency, this creates intense shear, dispersion, and kneading forces for thorough homogenization. Speed and duration are fully adjustable to suit material properties. Anti-leakage design. Each shaft is fitted with an oil retaining cup to prevent material contamination even if seals fail, while enhancing aesthetics. Zero dead zones. A planetary mounted wall scraper and PTFE bottom scraper eliminate material residue, ensuring complete mixing uniformity. Customizable blades. Diverse agitator options cater to specialized needs. Vacuum capability. High seal design achieves a vacuum level of -0.098 megapascals, excelling in bubble removal. Direct drive gearbox. Features grade 6 precision hardened gears, helical gear transmission for higher torque, and staggered tooth design to reduce wear, extending lifespan by 30% with minimal noise. Efficient heating. Spiral. Flow jacket design ensures uniform heat distribution via thermal oil or hot water. Steam heating is also supported. Built-in multi-point probes enable accurate temperature monitoring. Automation and smart control. Seamless workflow. The mixing tank moves on rails to the extruder station, where a press feeds material to the filling machine. Empty tanks rotate to a cleaning station for full coverage automated washing. Intelligent interface. User. Friendly HMI and PLC enable one-touch automated batching. Integrated MES system ensures real-time data collection and transmission. Certified by CE, ATEX, IECX, and UL, the FXDJ mixer serves over 5,000 global clients across industries including coatings, putty, adhesives, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food. Farfly, empowering excellence with engineering mastery. Join our global partners in achieving unparalleled quality and efficiency. Let's create brilliance together.